Hello, this is Brian Rezny, President of Rezny Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. The job numbers came out this morning, and of course, excellent again. Not only are we seeing jobs being added and the unemployment numbers really going down, what we're seeing wages are actually going up. In fact, we've had the highest wage increases in over 10 years officially last month. These are huge positives not only for the consumer, every American, and of course businesses in this country, and it really benefits people around the world. Our president's policies, while you may not like some of the things he may say or how he says it, his policies are sound. That I will tell you. And again, in my opinion, if the economy stays on this track, I think we have a good shot for this president to be a two-term president. Again, you may not agree with everything he says or maybe does, but I will tell you, I look at the policies that this administration is putting on, and it's growing the economy, it's growing wages, it's growing jobs, it's growing profits, it's growing sales and revenues, it's helping our military, it's helping every American, rich, middle class, poor. Everybody's being helped out. And this is really just the beginning, because remember, a lot of the things you're hearing about tariffs, which again, we've got a deal working with the EU, potentially Mexico now. I think eventually China's going to have to realize they're going to have to come to the table and work with the U.S. We're not concerned about trade wars or tariffs. What I am concerned about is fair trade, and that's exactly what this administration is trying to do. Fair trade will help every American, and it helps obviously bring in bigger tax revenues for the government that pays down debt and deficits, and helps you, the American taxpayer, with better services and hopefully cheaper services down the road. So again, we're not seeing any signs of recession. We're seeing a growing U.S. economy. We continue to like the U.S. marketplace and emerging markets in some of the countries. I will tell you, I would completely stay out of developed Europe. It is actually showing slower growth now. We've been out of it for a matter of months, and I'm glad we are. I would continue to own extra cash if you're trying to be conservative, which we are in our more conservative accounts, waiting for some buying opportunities. We have reduced our bond exposure across the board, very short-term duration or floating rate type securities. But again, these are clients of our firm. What we're finding on the outside, folks, is completely different, which is I'm finding a lot of people invested in completely the wrong places, oversaturated in the wrong kind of bond investments and bonds in general, and that's going to wreak havoc on their accounts. I'm glad to say that at Rezny Wealth Management, we believe in proactive investment management and being in the right places at the right time. If you're a client of our firm and you have any questions, please give us a call. And of course, if you need a review appointment, call the office. I know my staff calls you regularly. And as always, make sure you listen to my TV radio show. We appreciate your business and always your referrals. And make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day.